Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then in this area you want to swipe down again, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those should be a power saving mode. For me it's visible right over here. So once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It gives you a quick message to power saving mode. It will turn on dark theme or dark mode, turn off always on display, auto sync, and beauty. I believe that's for camera. Restrict background activity and reduce visual effects. So to actually explain what each one of those is, let's start from the back. Visual effects refers to refresh rate and possibly dark mode. Actually, dark mode is right here, so never mind. So just refresh rate. Background activities refers to applications running in the background, so it will close them out when you have some kind of apps in the background. It's just gonna stop them. Next we have beauty. Like I said, I think that's for the camera. Auto sync refers to Wi-Fi and mobile connection, so when you're not using the device it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery life, and because of that you're not going to be receiving notifications from anything that relies on internet, like for instance emails, WhatsApp, messengers, and so on. Always on display, self-explanatory, and dark mode. So anyway, we're going to select enable, and there we go, it's now enabled. So not much has changed apart from the dark theme that you can see, and maybe the refresh rate, as it's now 60. So there we go. Once you're done with this mode and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again and simply tap on it once more, and this will undo all the changes. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.